What if I told you that you don't need thousands of dollars to start investing? What if I told you that just $10 could be the first step toward financial freedom? Most people never start investing because they think it's only for the rich. They think you need a fancy job, insider knowledge, or piles of money. But the truth is, that's a lie. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start investing with just $10, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know where to invest, how to invest, and how to grow small money into big money over time. Before we talk about apps, stocks, or crypto, we need to fix something more important: your mindset. Investing is not about getting rich overnight. It's about playing the long game. Most beginners ask, what can $10 even do? And that's the wrong question. The right question is, what habit can $10 build? Because investing isn't about the amount you start with. It's about starting early, being consistent, and letting time do the heavy lifting. Investing means putting your money into assets that grow over time. Instead of letting your money sit idle and lose value to inflation, investing gives your money a job. You're buying a small piece of a business or fund, and as it grows, your money grows with it. Option 1, fractional stocks. You don't need to buy a full share anymore. Option 2, ETFs. Option 3, index funds. Option 4, crypto, but with caution. Step 1, choose a beginner-friendly investing app. Step 2, create your account. Step 3, deposit your $10. Step 4, choose one simple investment. Step 5, press invest. Congratulations, you are officially an investor. Mistake 1, chasing hype. Mistake 2, panic selling. Mistake 3, quitting too early. Imagine yourself 5 years from now. Consistent investing changed everything. That future starts with one decision, and that decision can start today with just $10. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly finance videos.